Are you seeing the Visual Basic Virtual Machine 50.dll runtime error is the last thing you need today? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this specific conflict. This DLL file is the Microsoft Visual Basic Virtual Machine Library for version 5.0. It provides the runtime environment required to execute legacy applications written in Visual Basic 5.0, managing forms and basic program logic. Enough of the technical side, let's get these files back onto your system. A reinstall of Microsoft Visual Basic 5.0 usually clears this up. Head to Microsoft, download the Visual C++ redistributables for x86 and x64, and install both. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Visual Basic Virtual Machine 50 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing the Visual Basic Virtual Machine 50.dll from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing the Visual Basic Virtual Machine 50. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the Microsoft Visual Basic 5.0 error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.